How to delete all comments on YouTube. If you decide to delete all of the comments that you've ever made on YouTube from 5 years ago or even 10 years ago or decades ago, what you want to do is, first of all, we will just open up YouTube. Then we will come to our profile page and just choose the correct YouTube account of which you want to delete the comments of. From your profile page, go to the option called History and tap on the View All button. Then tap on the three dots option from the top right hand side. Then tap on Manage All History, which will take you to this page. From this page, from the top, you can see the option called Interactions. So go to Interactions. There you can see Comments and Replies. So tap on Comments and Replies, and you'll see all of the comments that you've ever made on YouTube. Unfortunately though, you cannot just select all these at once, but however you can tap on this X icon over here to be able to delete all of your comments manually. So you can tap this X icon, and it doesn't require a reconfirmation, so actually this is quite an easier process. Just tap on this X icon and you should be good to go from here on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.